Nobody writes R. Kelly anymore. He's a rapist. Who can walk the house? Who can walk the house? The big bad wolf. Who can walk the mansion? That's right. What? It's October. I'm still the hell I am. Just like Jack the Ripper. Or Swamp Thing. It's the wolf. It's the wolf. Lock the house, lock the house. The big bad wolf's gonna lock the house. And if you don't like it, too effing bad, that's right. With the bottom roll, I can play the heavy metal all day and night. Woody the whack, push bang pow. You can't stop me, told you before, and you'll never be able to stop me. Woody the whack, Play the electric guitar all day and night. Make the real music, all tune sucks. Rock the house like kid. Donald Trump sucks at being at the White House. Get the girls with the dance and frenzy. The white bowl, let the keep the church on the headbang. Shit right there. Cause it's the big bad wolf. But the real what and roll. Justin Bieber sucks because he's a loser. Chris Brown sucks because he's a one beater. He apologized too late. Oh, it's the big bad wolf. It's the big bad wolf. Rock the house, rock the bells. Drop the chandelier like Phantom of the Opera. Push bang power, Woody the whack. You can't stop me, you'll never ever stop me. 9 Yo, shooty, yeah. Sister girl is on the effing lips. Shake your rum, shake your yum. It's the big bad wolf, it's the werewolf. Coming to get you, coming to get you. Eat you up, girl. On the coconut tree. Or the apple tree, or whatever. Like some effing money. Oh, it's the big bad wolf. Still we're coming. Shake your ass to the rock and roll. Do whatever the hell I want to. Here I come on the drums. Like the real music, like the stereo music, that's right. Ozzy Osbourne, Alice Cooper. Get a chainsaw like Jason or Freddy Krueger. Oh, the shutting down broke and fell. But I'm not scared of shutting. No radio. It's the big bad wolf. It's the big bad wolf. And you can't stop me. How? kick Prince Charming off a cliff. It's the big bad wolf, it's the big bad wolf. Ow, ow. Old dirty bastard is better than Eminem. Rock the house, rock the house. Wu-Tang Clan for life. Mr. Rock with the rap. Push bang pow, witty witty to the whack. You can't stop me. What? It's October. It's the big bad wolf. You can't stop the big bad wolf on October. NWA rules. F the pigs. Norio, Norio. 1, 2, 1, 2. It's the big bad wolf. Take you higher and higher. You ain't right, you ain't right. Kiss you on the lips, girls, and made love to you in the bed or sofa, in the shower. Lock the house, lock the house. I don't care if I go a effing mullet. It's the big bad wolf. Yo, 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 shimmy, yay. You can't even test my stills. I can play some effing chords from Syracuse City to New York. Lock the house, lock the house. I'll kiss the ladies on the lips, but the ones with plastic surgery can get the hell out. On the October party, push bang pow. It's the big bad wolf, it's the big bad wolf. Lock the house. What you don't like is too bad. Ultraman rules, Mighty Morphin Power Rangers soft. Dracula will suck your blood. That's right, it's the big bad wolf. I'm gonna get a kiss from my effing groupies. Lock the house. Howl, howl. I'm gonna tear off your skirt, shorty, and kiss you all effing night. It's the big bad wolf. Howl. Oh. And I make my own damn music. Play it loud, play it loud. Give me that heavy metal, give me now! Ow. It's the big bad wolf. And I shot Bigfoot with a rifle. Lock the house. I made a fur coat out of Bigfoot. It's the big bad wolf. I shake that ass to the rock and roll. It's the big bad wolf.